This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. Updated ranch with private backyard, nice floor plan with 4 bedrooms/3 baths, great room, large kitchen with new shaker cabinets, quartz counters, and stainless steel appliances, updated bathrooms, new flooring and fresh paint throughout, new heat/air, and new roof. Large backyard, deck, 2-car attached garage with new garage doors. Situated at the end of private drive. Convenient to schools, shopping, and dining. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.